If they let these people in, it's gonna be fire.
I know. I'm at the gate right now.
Because it's not fair. We have our excuses too.
Talk to the big guy.
Yeah. 我知道没有，真要好了，那这不问题，我知道没有了。
Your wife find them yet?
No, because all their phones are dead. My wife just called me from somebody's phone, but I got no contact. I just got this phone last night. I had no contact in there. I can't call anybody. My wife called from somebody's phone that she can't find any of them. It's Hmong Service Center of Oshkosh. This is why you don't let a woman take the lead. No, I'm not kidding, man. This is bullshit. If I left out of the park and I come back, yes. I just went to put my soccer stuff away.
Oh, okay. Okay, all right. What time does it end?
Yep.
Okay.
We don't have any.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see. So it stops at what time? 5. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
These guys are just doing their job. I'm not blaming these guys. I'm blaming the higher up people. Hmong people have been in freaking Wisconsin for 40 years. First time it happened like this in Wisconsin. All these old ladies, they come here to buy shit, and they won't let all these old ladies in.
What that?
Oh yeah.
我讲你要到关节，别要到弄进来是吗？No, not that. Đó là để sắp cho bọn này nó cho nè, bây giờ nhau Wisconsin nó bao châu sông nó đó. Cũng thích thay qua ta à, cái gì nhá. Cái sao hai hai mà. Nó để bây giờ Wisconsin nó bao châu sông nó thay rồi mua lên nó nè.
Có những cái môi thải là nó trở lại cái store cho ok thì sẽ này hải giá này thì tới vì những cái cháy nó là cũng ra xe rồi này hải giá là làm cái gì
Là chúng ta khá là nhà bà là không trả.
anh cho nó chẳng chờ phải là cái nó không biết chỗ nó cái chuyện nó chẳng
Sao thế này sắp không này hả nè?
No. Cú nhiều con gái cú cho không gian ba mươi cho tập chế cú lò kia xí là chỉ cú cho mình nhau họ tàn thò cú chỉ lý nhau to cú cho mình nhỏ xí nè. Yeah.
Yeah, my husband helped me find my kids right now. Yeah, okay. Well, now, yeah,นี่จะกีฬานะเจ๊ว่านี่หล่อเขานั่นน่ะนี่จะกันหล่อใครจะจับตัวเองจับตัวเองจะมีตัวซื้อนะเจ๊ทับสีนะไปชูหล่อนั่นน่ะจะกีฬาละมาลิงยังจะในย่อนั่นแหละเจ๊นี่
Yeah, just so you understand, you understand the policy of 5 o'clock close. This is an extenuating circumstance where you can't find your kids. I understand your position as a father, okay? So, if your wife can't find your kids, I know you're worried, okay? So, if your wife couldn't find out, I'll let you guys tag team and come find them, okay? Okay?
Because you guys are not doing fair. You guys don't let nobody in, but now you guys are letting people in again. Because
Okay. I know you're trying to look for your kids, okay? So, just if your wife is there, you guys can go look for kids. I want you to find your kids, okay? I'm just trying to do my job here.
No, I'm not blaming you. You got to do what you got to do, man. You got to do your job.
For example, like, hey, if you went to a Brewers game and they close, it's kind of tough, but work with us. We'll work with you too, okay? If your kids are stuck in here, we'll try to find your kids for you too, okay?
Huh? I need your help to find my kids.
Hey, sir, come on this side. Hey, could you come on this side?
I'll just wait here, man.
I can't find them.
There's one right there.
I can't find the rest of my kids.
Dạ.